So I have in my petition filed before the JMFC, I've also prayed that the police be directed that the investigation be conducted by any other officer other than DATTAGURU SAWANT. And this is for two reasons: that I have appeared against DATTAGURU SAWANT in a matter which involved stealing of helmets at the Konkan railway police station when DATTAGURU SAWANT was there, a PSI. And then in the year 2016, I filed a disproportionate asset case against DATTAGURU SAWANT. The investigation of that case was handed over to SP Shekhar Prabhu Desai, and after a detailed investigation, the DGP has written to the Goa government that DATTAGURU SAWANT was found guilty of misconduct, of not informing the office in the properties that he obtained and the vehicles that he bought. So he was found guilty and the charges against DATTAGURU SAWANT were proved. Any investigation by DATTAGURU SAWANT would be, of course, biased, as DATTAGURU SAWANT would like to settle scores with me. So my contention before the court is that you hand over the investigation to any officer, any other officer other than DATTAGURU SAWANT.